Dear participants, welcome in the first unit of certificate course on advanced academic writing for students in English studies. The objective of the unit. This unit is designed to help students understand the requirements for writing an academic essay in literature, make literary analysis and write literary arguments. It has been found that normally the students whom we may consider as literary analysts are provided with a theme or a topic that requires them to demonstrate how this theme or topic is articulated or constructed in the literary work. For example, students are supposed to respond to the questions like dislocation and relocation in Namesake by Jhumpa Lahiri, or discuss Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf as a critic of modern American society, or maybe various cinematic adaptations of Macbeth done by various directors in their cultural context, or maybe the gender roles which are problematized in Afra Ben's The Rover or The Banished Cavaliers. But when students are supposed to respond to this, they need to understand that they have to master a couple of skills. I would like to ask Mr. Clement that what are those components which are necessary for a literary analyst or a student to master when they want to respond to all these kinds of questions or statements?
So those skills and the component that student need to master in order to respond correctly to a literary argument can be broken down into 5 points. The first point is to articulate an emotional response to the text. Make a moral and ethical evaluation of the main characters in terms of attitudes, their relationship, their behavior. Evaluate the aesthetic quality of the literary work being studied. Understand the social cultural context in which a literary work was written. And use the literary criticism or literary theory in order to make an informed interpretation. It means that they need to connect the behavior of character, so the characterization, with the theory studied in class.
Okay, interesting. So, well, dear participants, see this 5 points which are necessary to keep in mind when you sit down to write your assignments, your answers in exams, or even you can carry on this with your research papers also. Well, the first one, how to articulate the emotional response to the text. Second, make a moral or ethical evaluation of main characters, their attributes, their relationships, and their behaviors. And the third point, evaluate the aesthetic quality of the literary work being studied. Fourth one, understand the socio-cultural context in which a literary work was written. And finally, understand the use of literary criticism and literary theory in order to make an informed interpretation. Well, this fifth point is going to play a very vital role in whatever you are doing in first 4 points. This will give you a scaffolding of your literary theory when you sit down to write. Yes. Well, fine. So, any book would you like to suggest so that they can master some kind of linguistic markers to write all these things?
Yes, there is one book that I suggest students to read in order to master those linguistic markers or those literary theory, how to use those literary theory to interpret the characterization in the work being studied. The title of the work is Researching Language in Schools and the Community, a Functional Linguistic Perspective by Elance Antworth.
Yeah, okay, fine. Dear friends, this book is a very interesting book which can help in getting a command over linguistic markers to articulate ourselves in literary writings. In this module, you are going to get key aspects from this book and other things. And what are the other things that the participants will have to do when they carry on with this module?
So when they carry on with these modules, they'll have to read some examples provided in the course and do some exercises. So the examples require them to read 2 examples. 1 and 2 and compare them and see how these the key component discussed area are reflected in those examples. And they have to do exercises, and they have 2 exercises in the course. The first exercise requires them to select one topic and write 2 paragraphs of 500 words that show your emotional response, your evaluation of the behavior of the main character in the story, Click by Judith Stamper. So this short story is provided in the course, and you have to read the short story and respond to the question provided in the course. It is not necessary for a student to start with the introduction. And then the exercise 2 is 5 multiple choice questions. They have to do those 2 exercises.
Okay, fine. Dear participants, let me just give a reminder that what you are supposed to do in this module. 2 examples are given there. So you have to read 2 examples and you have to do some note taking, and the instructions will be given in the module that what you have to give as an emotional response to these 2 examples. Then you have to do some submission at the end of this unit, and that is first exercise. You have to read a short story by Judith Stamper, Click, and you have to write something. The instructions are given here also, and you will find the instructions in your module also, and you have to appear in one small test of 5 multiple choice questions. The modules, the link to give online test, and where to submit, how to submit, everything will be given to the registered participants. So if you have still not registered, you visit this website and register yourself, so you will get enrolled into the course and you will get all the study material for this. Wish you all a happy learning. Thank you.